Individual lesson orientation. Outline of each lesson. Introduction. First, welcome the group. Orientation to storying and group discovery process. Then, broad, simple context and any critical must-know detail that the participants must or need to have to understand the story or chapter. Then, encourage the group to listen carefully as they will be asked to retell the story. The first, telling. Telling of the story in clear, simple language appropriate to the audience. Storyteller stays accurate to the text. Storyteller may replace personal pronouns with names to make the story clearer to the listener. Storyteller uses voice, facial expressions, and meaningful movement to tell the story. Ask the group if they liked the story. Ask if they want to hear the story one more time before they get to retell the story. The second telling. Encourage the group to listen carefully. Retell the story, showing the drawings if available. Then the individual retelling of the story. Give directions on how to retell the story in small groups. Members can help each other fill in details as needed or asked. Break out in small groups for individual or group retellings for about 5 to 10 minutes. Regather with encouragement and affirmation. The fourth telling with exaggerated mistakes. Introduce one more telling, but since they know it so well, please help the storyteller by correcting any mistakes they make. If you hear a mistake, gesture and say, "No, no, no." Exaggerated mistakes make the retelling fun, draws attention to key parts of the story, and helps encourage individuals to talk in the group, and it helps people relax prior to beginning the discussion. Then facilitate group discovery using the question set for each chapter. The question set. Number 1, who are the people in the story? Number 2, what does the story reveal about each person? Number 3, how are the people interacting with each other? Number 4, what does refuge look like in this part of the story? Number 5, can you give an example of a similar situation that is occurring today? Number 6, what do you see in this story that can help in today's situation? Number 7, because of this story, what will you do differently? Concluding question is different for each chapter and the end of the course. Number 8, from the lives of these people, where do you find or give refuge?